The opportunities for fieldwork at Newcastle University have been very varied.
Like going to Turkey, Greece or Spain, or even other sites in the UK.
In the classroom you'd learn the theory, but I don't believe it can compare to actual fieldwork experience.
What I enjoy most about fieldwork is probably the finds. It's the notion that you never know what you're going to find. It's exciting when you're scraping away, you find a little piece of orange, and you're the first person to see that in like over 2,000 years.
You get that connection with the people who actually made it, and you really get that insight into someone's life who's probably forgotten.
I think the main skill that I've learned, which has been quite fascinating, is levelling to piece together the ground as it goes through, and doing that more so scientific side. It's really been working a part of my brain that I haven't tapped into, and that skill and technique has just been great to do.
The skills I'd say I've learnt on site, definitely teamwork. It's definitely a team effort.
I really love to work as a team. Like, teamwork makes dream work.
My lecturers are great. They're a lot of fun. They often get it completely because a lot of them work in the field all the time, especially here. And I think the wonderful thing is you work side by side with like your supervisors, and they get in the mud with you, they work with you.
Every year you come back, you sort of gain more knowledge, more confidence, and you never want to leave, to be honest.
I would say go do archaeology at Newcastle 100%, because there's so many different sectors to it as well. There's many different things which cross over with the classics department, there's crossovers with history, there's so many different niches that you can find within it, and if you want to do the more scientific side, or you can stick to the more theoretical side as a subject, you're not held back by it. You're able to make it malleable to whatever you would like.